tractors?
No. The last one right here. Give up. Because that was yours and that was mine.
Looks like John Deere City in here.
Huh?
So it looks like John Deere City. Calvin, can you show me what tractor is yours? Calvin,
What tractor's yours?
which tractor is yours?
That one, that one, that
Which
one.
one? That one right there?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gonna drive it?
Yeah. It's
Wow.
broke.
It's broke?
Yeah.
Is Dad and Uncle Brad fixing it?
Bubba, guess what? I'm gonna get it to run. That's cool. We ride it? I don't know.
You take me for a ride on it?
It's broke.
It's broke? When they get it fixed, are you gonna take me for a ride?
Yeah. Show us the booty spank. Spank. Show us the booty spank, go. Ooh, look at his hands.
He was helping. He was working in the, looking for parts. Lacey. Hi. Hi, babe. What you doing?
Can you clap?
Say yay! Clap, clap, clap. Yay! Can you clap?
Yay.
Oh, not here.
So a half hour it'll be running.
And then we can look back.
Maybe sooner. You got the John Deere mechanics on it.
I drove it in the shop. I just gotta find some good help from there.
You need better help.